If you want to delete your Epic Games account without verification, this video will walk you through the simplest way to start the process and what to do if Epic asks you to verify your identity. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you are signing in from the correct account because the deletion request has to be made from the account you want removed. Once you're logged in, head straight to your account settings. This is where Epic keeps the main account options, privacy settings, and security controls. Inside account settings, look for the account section. This is the part you need because it contains the option for account management, including deletion. Once you open the account section, scroll through the available settings until you find delete account. When you see it, click on it to begin the account deletion process. Epic Games may ask you to confirm the deletion request. Read the message carefully before you continue, because account deletion is permanent after the waiting and confirmation process is completed. If the site allows you to confirm directly, follow the on-screen prompts and proceed with the confirmation. Now, if Epic Games requires verification and you do not have access to that verification step, do not keep guessing or repeatedly refreshing the page. Instead, contact Epic Games support right away. Let them know that you want to delete your account and that verification is required, but you are unable to complete it. Support can give you the official instructions needed to move forward with the deletion request. Follow the support instructions exactly as they provide them. Depending on your account situation, they may ask for additional account details or direct you through a manual deletion process. The key here is to use the official support route so your request is handled safely and correctly. Once you've completed the steps, your Epic Games account deletion should be processed according to their policy. Just remember, if your account is linked to games, purchases, or other services, you may want to double check everything before confirming deletion. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. And if you want, I can also make a version of this script that sounds more natural, more casual, or more like a faceless YouTube narration.